Have you ever wondered why you can resist temptation all day long but then completely cave in the evening? Why you start Monday morning motivated to eat healthy and exercise, but by Thursday you're ordering pizza and skipping the gym again? Here's what used to happen to me every single day. I'd wake up feeling strong and determined. I'd make my healthy breakfast, tackle my hardest work tasks, and feel like I had everything under control. But by 3 p.m., I was reaching for junk food. By evening, I was scrolling social media instead of reading that book I promised myself I'd finish. By the end of the week, I felt like a complete failure with zero self-control. Sound familiar? Well, here's the thing that changed everything for me. Psychologist Roy Baumeister discovered something revolutionary about willpower. It's not about being weak or strong. It's about understanding that willpower works exactly like a muscle. And just like any muscle, it gets tired when you use it too much. The solution is simple. Instead of trying to be perfect all day, you need to strategically manage your willpower like a limited resource. Think of it like having a daily budget, but for self-control. Let me break this down into 4 game-changing steps. First, identify your willpower prime time. This is usually within the first 2 to 4 hours after you wake up. During this window, your self-control muscle is fresh and strong. Schedule your most challenging tasks during this time. Whether it's exercise, important work, or difficult conversations, do them when your willpower tank is full. Second, eliminate unnecessary decisions. Every choice you make drains your willpower, even tiny ones like what to wear or what to eat for breakfast. Set up systems that remove these micro decisions. Plan your outfits the night before. Batch similar tasks together. Create routines that run on autopilot. Third, use the 20-minute rule for temptations. When you feel the urge to break a good habit or indulge in a bad one, tell yourself you can do it in 20 minutes. Most cravings naturally fade within this time frame. Your brain gets distracted by something else, and the urge passes without you having to use willpower at all. Fourth, recharge your willpower strategically. Just like a muscle needs rest to recover, your self-control needs specific things to bounce back. A 10-minute walk, 3 deep breaths, or even a healthy snack can restore your mental energy. The key is catching the depletion early, before you're completely drained. Now, I know what you're thinking. This sounds too simple to actually work. I was skeptical too. I thought willpower was just about being tough and pushing through. But here's what happened when I started treating willpower like a limited resource instead of a character flaw. After just 2 weeks, I stopped having those evening crashes where I'd binge Netflix and junk food. After a month, people started asking what had changed. I seemed more focused, more consistent, and honestly, more relaxed. I wasn't constantly fighting myself anymore. Here's what I want you to do. Pick just one of these 4 strategies and try it for the next 7 days. Maybe it's doing your hardest task first thing in the morning. Maybe it's setting up a simple routine to eliminate decision fatigue. Just one strategy, 7 days. Because here's the truth about willpower. It's not about being perfect. It's about being strategic. Small changes in how you manage your mental energy can create massive changes in what you accomplish. Your future self will thank you for starting today.